Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Roblox ping problem. First, click here and then go to control panel, go to view network status and tasks. If you are using Ethernet cable, go to change adapter settings, right click on internet, disable it, wait few seconds, enable it again. And if you are using Wi-Fi, it's easy, just click here, you will find the icon that you can turn off or on the Wi-Fi from. And that's it, just turn it off and on, and then go ahead and try again. If that doesn't fix it, then go to this one. Wait, before that you have to go to command prompt and then type here ping 1111 and do the same with few seconds before that, and do the same with ping 8888 and click enter. Wait a few seconds. Now you have to compare and to see which one is faster for you. And as we see here, it's 1111 ping, and that's it, 25 milliseconds. And I will choose this one because it's faster. And if you found that the 8 ping is faster for you, all you have to do just come here and go to connections, and then go to properties. It's on protocol internet version 4. Now use the following DNS server addresses. As I said before, if it's 8888 ping, just type here 8888, and in the second one type 8844, and if it's the 1111 just type it here like that, and in second one type 1001, and then click and OK, and that's it. You can reset it whenever you want, and then go ahead and try again. And if that also doesn't fix it, then try something like restarting your Wi-Fi router or something like that, and make sure no one is using your Wi-Fi to download something or something like that. I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe. See you in the next video.